And then suddenly, like in 2020, what happened was like, um, I got a job, very nice job. Everything was happy. I was having a good time. I was surrounded with good people. I was very happy, and I had people who were supporting me. And then one day, I just felt this emptiness in my heart, and I was like, "There's something wrong in me. There's something is wrong is happening inside my heart." Like I was feeling this emptiness. I was feeling this emptiness, and that was new moon. So I thought, okay, maybe astrologically, because it is a new moon, and sad energies are around, so I'm feeling strange. So maybe it's that. So I thought, okay, let me wait for next day. And then it came and it went, and it came and it went, and it became a pattern. Like it continued for a year, and since then it has been there. So when you ask me about the feeling, it is a kind of now I understand that I get scared. Like I get this panic. Maybe that is a panic attack, or maybe it is anxiety, but I feel very low. I feel very scared. I feel like, why am I here? What is the purpose, or why am I living, or what is that is happening? Why am I doing what am I doing? And as if my heart is running so fast. And it is not sadness. It is something like you don't have a purpose in life anymore, and you are like, why am I having these kind of thoughts? And you just become so depressed, and you don't even know the reason, because you have people, you have, compared to my early years, when I had nobody, but I had myself, and I was so content, I was so happy, and I was like, okay, I will achieve this, okay, I would do this. But compared to that portion of time, and compared to now, I was like, I didn't had any motive. I didn't have any motivation, and I don't know how to explain that feeling. Like it's so depressing. And people ask, so many times people have asked me, ki, Are you not happy about something? It's not about being happy of something. Everything is there. Everything is happening. Everything is going good, but suddenly you are feeling that way. That's a feeling that you are not able to escape. So I told myself, okay, here's a problem now. I don't know why it is happening, because I have everything I asked for from the God, and I'm so grateful. I'm so grateful for what I'm having. But still I'm feeling this way, this feeling which is so dangerous. It's so scary that you don't want to live anymore. It's scary, and you need help, and you don't know how to tell, because generally people are like, oh, somebody left you, so maybe that is the reason you are depressed. So somebody broke up with you, maybe that is the reason you are depressed, or something happened. But I didn't had any of these reasons. Nobody broke my heart. I didn't care about job. So because from past 4 5 6 7 years I've been leaving jobs, I've been changing jobs, like how. And I never cared about, I was obviously upset, scared that okay, I don't have a job, but I was not upset. So I didn't know what is the reason that I'm feeling this way. And it's strange. And it's when people ask, you are having anxiety because you must be upset about something. No, it's not like that. You can be happy, and you still get those anxiety or panic attack things, which now panic attacks is also, you get, you are with people, you don't want to talk to people, and you want to feel good about yourself, you want to be happy, you want, now suddenly you understand the importance of being happy. I used to take this as a, being happy as a for granted, but now after going through this 1 year of anxiety and panic issues and all these things, now I understand the meaning of happiness. uh, you should be really be grateful for your happiness. So after understanding my situation, that if I continue to be like this, I think I'm going to, I don't want to use that term, but yeah, it's scary. So I started watching yoga gurus and spirituality lessons from Sadhguru. Everybody is talking about the sadness, but nobody is talking about what to do when your body doesn't support your mind. Like, you want to be happy, you want to feel happy, but your body is not giving you that option. Maybe I feel that there is some chakra which is blocked in my body, which is not letting me be happy. I've started doing that, and past 2-3 days I think I'm feeling bit relaxed. I don't know. To all the people who feel the way I'm feeling, I would make another video where I will explain my practice session and how it has helped me, or if it has helped me, because I really want to find the cure of this. I'm fighting, and I need everybody of you to support me, because people don't understand. They go through this and they don't know what is the reason, because everything is so happening, everything is so happy around them, and everything is so good, and they don't understand why are they feeling the way they are feeling. So this happens, and you are not alone. That's okay. I think we need to do some jogging, running, exercising, kundalini. Nothing is impossible to achieve. I just think that we need to do something. I'm going to try this kundalini session, and I hope that will help me. As of now, I'm watching Guru Jagat. She's really fun. She gives me hope. And she's really good, and she explains things in such a good way, and it's really nice. When she talks, she just illuminates. She just makes you believe in life. So I'm trying that, and hopefully next video I would feel much more better than how I'm feeling now. Bye.